There was riots up and down. There was even riots by St. Edmunds Road, where the apartheid scums, the scums attacked the mosque and shot into the mosque.
Then we were chased, into the flats.
Hell broke loose.
I actually remember running from school.
They just saw the police and everybody.
The 1976 riots, they were a turning point in the history of South Africa.
This was a very vibrant road in terms, at the time, with all the political disturbances that we had.
This road was so with the children of school children. They're burning tires, they're throwing the cars and the police.
Youngsters were terrified. They were scared. I mean, it's 14, 15-year-olds. What do you expect?
Other people haven't got a son or daughters because you don't care who are you. Just shoot.
Little boys picking up stones and throwing it at a van, and big men taking out big guns and shooting them at point blank range.
I watched how some of these cops came and they beat up the students. They were really brutal.